It is a lot of fun to use fabric paints to give your clothes a stylish look, or give your old clothes and other items a new life. The good quality permanent fabric paints are waterproof, eco-friendly, non-toxic and odorless, and their smooth consistency gives you amazing vibrant colors. In order to help you to find out the right one, we have selected and reviewed best permanent fabric paints for clothes. If you like any of them, you can buy through the link in the description. Number 1. Castle Art Supplies Fabric Paint Set. The 24 bright and brilliant shades of premium quality paints in generous squeezable bottles are packed in a beautifully designed presentation box for easy picking. Apply direct to clothes, backpacks, footwear, ceramics and more, and marvel how the paints expands to give a magical 3D effect in vibrant colors that brings your creativity to life. Blend and mix to create any other color you want, plus 3 bonus brushes are included to spread the effect. Number 2. Tulip Dimensional Fabric Pack. These fabric paints are made with non-toxic formulas for safe crafting. These paints come in easy squeeze bottles with fine tips, making them simple for all skill levels to use. It is safe and creative fun for beginning painters and skilled artists alike to paint with, and to wear on fabric creations. Paints are also mixable to create custom colors, making for a fun, engaging way to teach kids about color mixing, while doing a creative activity. Number 3. Arteza Permanent Fabric Paint. This fabric paint pack features 14 unique metallic shades, from brilliant blue hues to luminescent orange tones. Enjoy a wide range of bright and vibrant shades that you can use for endless color combinations. Whatever fabric colors you're using for your project, you'll find the perfect complement in this set. The bottles are easy to squeeze, the colors are blendable, and have high viscosity. You can use your craft fabric paint on a variety of surfaces, such as linen, cotton, leather or polyester. These paints would not crack or peel, ensuring that your designs look good for as long as you need them to. These are durable enough to hold up to extensive wear and repeated washes. Number 4. Morn Matte Fabric Paint Set. This set contains 8 bright colors that are satin-free and non-toxic. These acrylics have smooth consistency to give vibrant colors for great covering power, for large areas and fine details. These are highly blendable for superb color mixing, to provide a bigger color palette of shades and tones. The fast drying time allows them to dry quickly, to a gloss finish with great coverage. These are suitable on fabric clothes, shoes, bags and cushions. It is specially developed for both beginners and professionals, to help open up an artistic world of endless possibilities. Number 5. Colorful Fabric Paint Set. This fabric paint set contains 12 rich colors with artist quality. The creamy consistency and high pigments with designed rheology and viscosity can ensure the paint medium can be blended easily and glided on smoothly. These fabric paints can be used on clothing, sneakers and more, and perfect for all kinds of DIY projects. These are ideal acrylic fabric paints for canvas painting, and they won't fade over time even outdoor. The formula of textile paints is water-based, eco-friendly, non-toxic and odorless, and safe for all ages. These are waterproof and durable, and this paint can dry quickly without heat. Number 6. Magic Fly Permanent Fabric Paint Set. It comes with 14 vibrant and bright colors soft fabric paints. This paint can maintain vibrant performance for a long time, and these are blendable for creating your art pieces. These paints are durable enough to withstand extensive wear and repeated washing of washing machines and dryers. This set of semi-transparent paint can be used on synthetic and natural fabric. It is non-toxic and safe for humans and the environment, and perfect for all kinds of DIY projects. Number 7. Magic Fly Metallic Fabric Paint Set. The set includes 12 unique metallic shades. You can use the pearl-colored paint to add extra brilliance. These fabric paints are high viscosity and filled with shimmering pigment. It has strong water resistance, so it's the best choice to preserve your ideas for a long time, plus it's non-toxic and safe for human and environment. You can apply these paints to your jeans, canvas, shoes and more, These are ideal to create DIY projects and show your street